I know if we can get what my rights are between a landlord and a tenant.
Tenants complaining their landlord hasn't fixed heat, AC, or plumbing problems. They're common calls received by the problem solvers. As we told you here on 2 News Today, starting this week, an updated state law gives tenants more rights. 2 News Oklahoma problem solver Pete Knutson helped some Tulsa tenants take care of a dispute that was disrupting their lives.
A range to cook, a dryer to do laundry, a hot water heater to take a shower. All powered by gas in Lisa Ortiz's rental house, but all without power because of a gas leak, a dangerous discovery after a skyrocketing gas bill of $400.
I said, oh my God. I said, let me call O&G and find out what's going on here. Why my bill so high?
Fortunately, finding the leak probably prevented a tragedy, but it also meant Lisa and her husband, who suffers from a stroke and diabetes, had to shower at a truck stop, do laundry at a laundromat, and eat fast food.
It makes me feel bad, real bad, that I have to, live like this.
Money, Lisa tells us, is scarce.
I have to pay bills I can't spend. I had no extra money. I got to start paying on this $400 gas bill.
You may ask, though, since the Ortizes live in a rental, why not get the landlord to repair the leak and get the gas turned back on?
He sent somebody out here, but he didn't know what to do.
And 2 weeks later, still no gas. Lisa says the landlord asked them to pay half of the $400 it would take to make the repair and for a city inspection. But she said no. Their rent, Lisa says, is $350 a month.
It's his responsibility, and I've told him time and time again that we need to have something done.
We touched base with the landlord and found out there indeed had been some confusion and miscommunication over the repair and rental payments in the past that he had not collected because of the COVID pandemic. But after all was said and done, the gas leak would be repaired. And while this situation happened before Oklahoma's updated law went into effect, landlords were always required to keep a tenant's housing fit and habitable. And that would include such things as electrical, heating, and plumbing, which would have included the Ortiz's dilemma. Pete Knutson, 2 News Oklahoma, Problem Solvers.
Digging deeper now into landlord-tenant disputes like the Ortizes, the first step for a tenant should always be to put in a work order. If the landlord doesn't fix an issue affecting the tenant's health in 2 weeks, or as promptly as conditions require in case of an emergency, the tenant may have the work done by a qualified repair person. The cost of that work needs to be fair and reasonable and can't exceed a month's rent. Find more information about this updated law on our website, kjrh.com.